Discover the ultimate in durability and performance with the best action cameras. Capture stunning 4K and 8K videos with superior image stabilization, waterproof designs, and compact builds. Perfect for any adventure, these cameras deliver crisp, smooth footage wherever you go. In this video, we recommend the 7 best action cameras. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro Hero 13 Black is a powerful action camera built for adventurers and creators seeking top performance. It features a 1/1.9-inch sensor capturing stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 23 MP photos, delivering clear, vibrant footage with great detail. The hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization ensures ultra-smooth video, even during intense activities, eliminating shaky footage. Improved low-light performance lets you capture bright, clear shots at dawn, dusk, or indoors. Its rugged, waterproof design allows dives up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without extra casing, ideal for water sports. The front display is perfect for vlogging and selfies, while the rear touchscreen offers easy navigation and quick settings. Live Burst captures moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you never miss action. Voice control enables hands-free operation with simple commands. Slow motion is supported up to 30 FPS in 4K and 240 FPS in 2.7K, allowing creative slow motion effects. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you share footage instantly to your phone or social media. Time Warp 3.0 creates stabilized time-lapse, compressing long adventures into captivating clips. The modular system supports mounts, lights, and microphones for professional setups. GoPro Hero 13 Black combines top video quality, advanced features, and durability for capturing every adventure with clarity. Number 6. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerful action camera made for creators who need stunning visuals and durability. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor capturing 40 MP photos and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second for incredibly sharp and fluid footage. Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady deliver smooth, stable video even during intense action. The camera is waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, ideal for diving and water sports. Dual OLED touchscreens provide easy framing and responsive control from both front and rear. Its 1950 mAh battery allows up to 4 hours of continuous recording, perfect for extended shoots. Built-in 64GB storage and microSD support give flexible space for your content. Super Night mode improves low-light video with bright, clean details. 3 microphones enhance sound quality and cut wind noise effectively. Osmo Action 5 Pro combines advanced imaging, smart design, and pro-grade stability in one rugged device. Number 5. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a premium action camera co-engineered with Leica, built for creators who demand stunning quality. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor and Leica lens, capturing vibrant 8K video at 30 frames per second and sharp 50 MP photos. Dual AI chips power advanced image processing and noise reduction for crisp detail in any light. Pure video mode boosts low-light performance, making night shots bright and clear. The 2.5-inch flip touchscreen offers a bright, responsive display for framing and control. Flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock ensure smooth, level footage during motion. It's waterproof up to 39 feet and supports deeper dives with an optional case. A 1,800 mAh battery delivers up to 180 minutes of shooting and charges quickly. AI Highlights Assistant picks the best moments for faster, smarter editing. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 combines high resolution, pro features, and durable design for capturing every adventure. Number 4. Insta360 X4. Insta360 X4 is a powerful 360-degree action camera made for creators who want immersive, high-quality footage. It records stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second and captures detailed 72MP photos for next-level clarity. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock keep your shots smooth and level, even during action. Shoot in Me mode to focus on yourself with a wide POV and no post-editing needed. The invisible selfie stick disappears in your shots, creating seamless, floating camera effects. It supports 5.7K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second for slow-motion brilliance. Waterproof up to 33 feet, it's ready for underwater adventures without extra gear. A 2,290 mAh battery powers up to 135 minutes of continuous 360-degree video. AI editing tools help you reframe and create easily with just a few taps. Insta360 X4 blends sharp visuals, smart features, and rugged build for ultimate creative freedom. Number 3. Insta360 GO 3S. Insta360 GO 3S is a compact action camera delivering crisp 4K video in a lightweight design. Its magnetic body offers versatile hands-free mounting for unique angles. The wide-angle megaview lens captures clear, distortion-free footage. Flow state stabilization and horizon lock keep videos smooth and steady during motion. It supports slow motion at 200 frames per second in 1080p for dramatic action shots. Waterproof up to 33 feet, perfect for water sports and underwater filming. The Action Pod extends battery life to 140 minutes and has a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen for easy control. Voice Control 2.0 and gesture commands allow hands-free use. AI-powered app tools make editing fast and simple. Insta360 GO 3S blends portability, features, and ease for high-quality action videos. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPro Hero 10 Black delivers sharp 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 23MP photos with vivid detail. Its GP2 processor ensures faster performance and smoother footage in any setting. Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization keeps videos steady during intense action. The front display and larger rear touchscreen simplify framing shots and adjusting settings. Enhanced low-light performance captures clearer images in dim conditions. Its rugged, waterproof design lets you dive up to 33 feet without extra housing. Live Burst mode captures moments before and after your shot for perfect action. Voice control enables hands-free use with simple commands. Time Warp 3.0 creates smooth time-lapse videos for creative storytelling. GoPro Hero 10 Black is ideal for sharp, smooth, and immersive action capture. Number 1. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a budget-friendly action camera that delivers impressive 4K video and 20MP photos. It features advanced image stabilization, ensuring smooth footage during fast movements. The camera offers dual screens, making it easy to frame shots and review videos on the go. Waterproof without a case up to 33 feet, it's perfect for water sports and outdoor adventures. Built-in Wi-Fi allows quick sharing and remote control via a smartphone app. Multiple shooting modes like slow motion and time-lapse help capture creative videos. Akaso Brave 8 Lite combines affordability, solid features, and ease of use for everyday action filming. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.